I'm Lee.
And I'm Kyle. And we are the Super Goats.
Today, we are challenging each other to see who can eat the pie the fastest.
We've got a couple of coconut cream pies. We're going to see who can eat them the fastest, just like Lee said. And the winner gets the glory of knowing they finished first, and the loser, well,
Gets a pie to the face.
yeah! Make sure to stick around for that. It's going to be fun.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Set. Go.
Go.
Double spoon.
That's yours. That's it.
Do I have anything in my face?
Nope.
Good.
I think you're going to win, Lee.
I don't know. I'm getting full. Shouldn't have ate lunch.
Crust is dry. I think you got it. You annihilated that pie.
I like coconut cream pies.
Well, guys, I'm sorry. He eats pie a lot faster than I do.
Oh, I like pie.
Not even gonna try.
Oh. It's not gone out of my mouth yet.
No, you've got. Yeah, I'm gonna eat all this before you swallow. It was a good pie though.
It's pretty good. I think that might be a little bit better than mine. Give me that piece.
Well, sorry, Green Super Goat fans, I let you down.
Go Blue Super Go! Do I have anything on my face? Let's clean it up. I'm gonna save that for later.
Well, I'll accept my punishment.
You know what time it is. What do we got here? Oh, look at that awesome fresh pie ready for Kyle's face.
Yummy.
Oh, oh! Tricked him! I got him!
I can't even open my eyes!
Now that's cream pie.
That's a cream pie.
Yep. In the face. Well, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button. And Super Goats, we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah. Super Goats,
Goats.
out!
Out!
You demolished that pie!